Let's go through four different ways in which you can find out unique values from your dataset. Method number one, remove duplicates. For that, let's first paste the column which you want to remove duplicates from, which means we want to find out the unique values from. Select the entire dataset, go to data, data tools, remove duplicates, continue with the current selection, remove duplicates. My data has headers, the column title, which is market segment over here. Okay. 695 duplicate values found and removed. 5 unique values remain. Method number 2, advanced filter. Let's go to data, sort and filter, advanced. Select the range of the column which you want to remove the duplicates from and find out the unique values from. Here we are selecting column B, country, control shift down arrow to select the entire range. Copy to another selection, another location. Copy to, let's copy it in column J at J2, unique records only. Okay. Method number 3, pivot tables. Let's select the column, insert, pivot table, from table or range. Select the range, which is in this case C2 to C702, existing workbook, location, K2. Okay. And let's take this column in the rows. In the pivot table design, report layout, show in the tabular form or show in the outline form, either of these two. Let's take show in the tabular form. Grand totals of for rows and columns, subtotals do not show subtotals. And also let's paste this formatting in column K. Method number 4, unique function. Unique, let's select the array D2 to D702, enter. This is giving us the unique values from the column D. Let's also paste the format. So these are the four different ways in which you can find out the unique values. You can remove the duplicates. I hope you like this video. Thank you.